Welcome back to the channel. If you've landed here, chances are you're locked out of your Turbotax account and want a quick, secure way to get back in. Don't worry. Today I'll walk you through the full 2025 guide on how to recover your Turbotax account step by step. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a few tips to make sure this doesn't happen again. Alright, let's jump right in. The very first step is to make sure you're on the official Turbotax website. Open your browser, search for Turbotax, and only click the official link. This is really important. Never trust random links because phishing sites often try to steal your login details. Once you're on the official homepage, look at the top right corner and click Sign In. This will bring you to the login page. Now, try signing in with your credentials. Type in your password carefully. Sometimes it's just a simple typo that locks people out. If your login doesn't work, or if you've forgotten your password, don't panic. Right below the login box, you'll see an option for Forgot User ID or Password. Go ahead and click that. Turbotax will now guide you through an identity verification process. You'll get the choice to receive a code either through the email or phone number linked to your account. Select whichever option you have access to. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the field on the site and click Continue. This step confirms that you are the rightful owner of the account. After verification, you'll either reset your password or be logged back into your account. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Turbotax account. Now, before we wrap up, here are 2 quick tips to make future recovery easier. Keep your recovery email and phone number up to date. If you change them, update your Turbotax account immediately. Use a secure password manager. This helps you avoid forgotten passwords and keeps your login details safe. And there you have it, a foolproof way to recover your Turbotax account in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.